Trillions will flow into blockchains like Stellar XLM, and Zioncoins will benefit. Or will it? And will trillions flow? Well, we have to ask that question because actually blockchains like Stellar XLM, XRP, those ledgers really haven't been performing as well as some other blockchains. In any case, to find out what's going on and understand what I'm talking about, please like, subscribe down there. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll be able to deliver more content like this to you more frequently. So, moving forward, let me just say this. Based on the fundamental factors, we could see trillions flowing through into blockchains like Stellar XLM, almost certainly, based on those fundamental factors. But really, what you have to understand is the tokenomics. The fundamental factors are part of the tokenomics. Okay? However, people invest their money into the digital assets on a hope for a return in the future. Okay? And now you'll get traders, swing traders alike, that want to trade, buy and sell these digital assets, buy at lower price and sell at higher price, right? And that goes for any investment. Okay? If you invest in any company, that's understandable, right? You're either going to ensure that you could deliver a decent return on your investment, although these things may be considered securities, I digress. Or you're going to make sure you provide a dividend so that money stays locked in. And when I mean a dividend, I mean more shares within that company. And in the case of digital assets, it could be decentralized finance, where you're getting a return for holding the token. When you lock into a DeFi contract, a smart contract, you're then being paid out a percentage from a pool of tokens every month or every year, whatever it may be. So the point is, what is going on with the price? Because whilst there are liquidity pools on Stellar XLM, the price has not given a decent return on investment in comparison to other blockchains. And what do we need? What do we need to understand about that? Well, we need to understand that actually Bitcoin has made a new all-time high. Ethereum has made a new all-time high. Binance Coin has made a new all-time high. This is what we should be expecting from good quality blockchains and cryptos like Stellar XLM, like XRP. And in fact, these blockchains just really haven't made new all-time highs. For example, Stellar has only really got up to its previous all-time high, in fact just under. So you could say that it's trading within that range at this point. We haven't had that new swing high yet. And this isn't what I would consider a good return on investment. We really want to see new all-time highs. Then at which point investors would then decide whether they want to sell or still hold. Okay, that's the whole point, right? And it's up to the blockchain company to come up with new and innovative reasons why those investors should hold their tokens, should keep their tokens for a longer period of time. keep it locked up? DeFi. Okay? So I say again, there is DeFi assets available on the Stellar XLM blockchain, and they use the liquidity pool functionality, that new feature. Is it? Correct me if I'm wrong. It was SEP 19, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. To facilitate that liquidity pool feature, but it doesn't seem like it's enough, because clearly we have people that are now disinterested, that are moved their interests away from Stellar XLM to other blockchains. And also, I would say Ripple XRP, that is fed up of this court case. They're fed up of not seeing a return on their investment. They're fed up of waiting for these new developments to appear on the XRP ledger. They're disappearing. And maybe that's what these blockchain companies want. But until they actually have a real footing in the financial ecosystem, they're going to need people, Joe Blogs, to be investing in these digital assets. They're going to need that. They're going to need that liquidity from speculators. And if they're not getting that, then the blockchain will simply die, or it would just exist at a very low level and not be able to grow, because there'd already be a stigma attached. So, with having said that, I understand why people would be disinterested with the price of Stellar XLM, why it hasn't moved, and I get that. If, in my opinion, if you want to make money from anything, any asset, not just crypto, the best way to do that is to swing trade. This is my opinion. Okay? What does that mean? Stop looking for all-time highs. That means look for new swing highs and new swing lows. That's going to tell you where you can trade within a range. And if it goes higher than that range, it may be safer to buy. If it goes lower than that range, so if it goes higher than that range, it may be safer to sell. If it goes below that range, it's safer to buy, right? With the aid of technical analysis and some technical indicators, that's going to give you a clear picture of what you can expect. So, Stellar XLM price predictions are on the cards now, I think, because it's only really fair to build a picture of what Stellar XLM has done before and what it could be doing now. As you know, the price has already gone down. Is it over 80% or a bit more, closer to 90%? And it's found a floor, and it's been trading within this range of between sort of, let's just say 10 and 13 cents, right? So we can clearly see that the floor is around 9 cents. I believe on other Poloniex, the price of STR, which is XLM, went down to around 4 or 5 cents. At the moment, you can't pull your cryptos out from the exchange, but you could still trade it. So obviously, if you pulled it out, you'd get XLM at a really nice discount. So if you're a hodler, it might work for you to buy at a lower price, or you could simply buy and sell. So when the price increases, or when the run starts to happen again, then you can sell. Or when the wallets are re-enabled, you can move them to your cold storage devices and sell whenever you're ready. Best thing to do with this one, in my opinion, is to buy at the lower price and hold. Because if you're searching for lower prices, you've got it now. But that's not to say that prices might not go even lower. As I said before in previous videos, we could be seeing 3 cents XLM across all exchanges. We've already gone down to 4 on Poloniex. We could see even lower on other exchanges, and even lower on Poloniex. So yeah, price for XLM is a good reason to not want to be in that particular asset. And we're already seeing people move away, investors move away, investing their time, their energy, the money, researching the asset, talking about the asset, moving away from it because they're not getting a return, and they're seeing other cryptos provide a 2x better, you know, which is 200%. You can't argue with that. In any case, we need to discuss this further. We need to look at what what cryptos are providing a better return, and maybe thinking about diversifying your portfolio to ensure that you incorporate these cryptos. So, without further ado, I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion. Smash the Zion coin up there, like and subscribe, it helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and check out the next video. We're going to be looking at Stellar XLM price and diversifying into other digital assets. Have a great day. Take care now.